right, good morning, traders. I did not do a wrap-up video for yesterday, Friday. I was just really tired at the end of the week and chose to wait until this morning. We did our price action workshop this morning and then did a couple things around the house, and now I want to record this before I get on with my day. So just to update you, I did add a new membership level in our group. So if you'll go to microstrader.com and click membership options, become a member, you will see that offering. So what happened yesterday? Well, Justin, on a fantastic 1 minute entry down here, went long, and on 3 contracts he made 30, and on his final he was going for 60. It only needed 10 more points, so he was up 50 points and ended up taking 40. So fantastic trade there for Justin. And then in the afternoon, I was honestly looking for shorts that followed my rules of when can I short an uptrend. So I took 3 shorts yesterday. I took the short literally right here at 68. At one point, I was up 10 points. I was hoping that was going to be the move, but it wasn't, so I only ended up capturing 2. I typically will follow at 50% of the move, so I could have captured 5, but I was trying to stay back a little bit, and maybe that was the move. Now, what I didn't do is get stupid and say, no, this thing is going down, and kept shorting. No. It has to follow certain rules of when you can short an uptrend. Then I went short here at 96 and made 10 points on it. One little MES, made 10 points on that move. And then I re-entered short. This was the most perfect entry here. I shorted at 92. At one point, I was up 20 points. But I locked in like 4 or 5. I mean, not 4 or 5. I locked in 15 in there and did very, very well. It was now into the maintenance period, and I decided to get out of my trade. This group this week had fantastic runners. For the people who reported 10-point runners, 20-point runners, 30, 40-point runners, as a group, we were over 200-something points as far as runners. And I'm not counting scalps that went 1 point, 2 point, 5 points. We're talking about 10-point runners or more. That's something we're very good at in our group. If you're interested in trading with a group of ES and MES traders, check us out at microstrader.com. Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.